Hey guys, Craig with Taco Vinyl. Today we're going to install the Tailgate Pro Wrap on this Pro, which already has something, but for demonstration purposes, we are going to show you how to install it. So we're going to start by cleaning. Just alcohol, isopropyl. Get it nice and cleaned up. And then we're gonna grab our piece. So you can tape it up. I like to just get it kind of started. Get it lined up. It should match up with your fender side. And I'm gonna pull the rest this way. And we're just gonna line it up with the top side of your plastic trim. And then I like to just kind of go through and just make sure that it's all lined up nice and tight to that seam there. Then I like to just run my finger through that body edge there. And then squeegee. Got to grab a squeegee. And we will simply squeegee this down. And it should tuck perfectly nice under your plastics on your tailgate. And then, once we got that knocked out, we'll come through and just squeegee all of this down. Tackling all the body lines first. And I like to use just my hand on these recessed areas here. Get those down nice. Lock all those in. And then you get your knife out. If you do get a little wrinkle like I just did, grab a heat gun. And those wrinkles will go away. And then we're going to cut here. And then lock in your side there. And do the same on the other side. Lock in your side there, and you're all done. So we're all finished up. If you guys want to pick one of these up, go check out tacovinyl.com. Grab one of these, the Tailgate Pros. Like and subscribe.